You're going to learn how to make crochet poppy flowers today. We're going to start with a 3.75 millimeter hook, and I'm matching yarn of your choosing. I chose cotton. We're going to create the inner ring, which is 16 double crochets. We're going to start with a slip stitch. So pull your yarn through, tighten it off on your hook. We're going to start with a chain 4 because I do not like magic circles. So we'll chain 4. You'll insert your hook into the 4th chain from the hook. Then you'll do 1 double crochet, and this is 2 double crochets. So that first chain 4 counts as 1. We're going to do this 14 more times, and that will be your first round completed. You can slip stitch a new color onto your poppy, or you cannot. It's up to you. I did. So I'm slip stitching this beige color, and this will create the second ring, which is a total count of whatever 16 times 2 minus 1 is. You're going to chain 2. This will be your first double crochet, and then you're going to place 2 double crochets into every single chain after that. Then you can again slip stitch a new color, or keep the current color you have, and now we're going to create the petals using increases and decreases. So let's chain 1. You're going to half double crochet into the next stitch. Very good. And then we're going to half double crochet into the same stitch. Very good. Now we're going to double crochet into the next stitch, and then we'll double crochet again into that same stitch. Now we're going to treble crochet. So wrap your yarn around your hook twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again in that same stitch, we're going to yarn over twice, and you're going to yarn over twice and continue to pull through until there are no more loops on the hook. Then you'll double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet to end the petal. So again, 2 half double crochets, 2 double crochets, 2 treble crochets, 2 double crochets, 2 half double crochets, and 1 single crochet. And that is how you will complete each petal until you have 5. Then you can slip stitch into your first stitch. And again, you can change colors or choose not to. For the final row, I'm going to choose white. So I am slip stitching into the first chain, the first stitch that I made. I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet across the arch of the petal. So I'm going to single crochet into each of those. Now, once you get to the sort of intersection where your 2 petals meet, you are going to chain 1 and create a long single crochet. So you're going to insert your hook into the top of the second row, and then pull it all the way up, single crochet, chain 1, and then continue to single crochet across the arch of the petal. And as you can see, by inserting into the top of the second row, you create the petal look. You made crochet poppies, yay!